3, 4, sad.
So let's learn some words for weather in Croatian. Tony D, are you ready?
Da.
Odlično. The word for weather in Croatian is vrijeme.
What?
Vrijeme.
Oh, vrijeme.
Yeah.
I
Vrijeme.
thought I heard a B.
So vrijeme.
Vrijeme.
So those first three letters, vrijeme, you
Vrijeme.
accent that and make sure you roll that R. Vrijeme.
Vrijeme.
So weather, it also is the same word for time.
Oh.
Yeah, what's vrijeme? So it's like time, weather, what's the current status, what's the zeitgeist, what's happening atmospherically close to us, the vrijeme.
Vrijeme.
I'll let you know. So the way these
Can you say što vrijeme?
you would say kako je vrijeme or kako je vani. What's it like outside?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, što je vrijeme? I don't know. Kako je vani would be like kako je vrijeme? How's the weather?
So like
Kako je vrijeme?
like a tall person, like DJ Mo. would
How's
say.
the weather up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my uncle's favorite line. How's the weather up there? He was the same guy who said, I haven't eaten in 3 days. Every time he sits to a meal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I haven't eaten in 3 days. Okay, first of all, we're going to do it's hot. Tony, are you ready? Vruće je.
Vruće je.
Right. So you could say dan je vruće, the day is hot, or vrijeme je vruće, the weather is hot, but instead we're going to say it's hot. Vruće je.
Vruće je.
Yeah.
So the yeah is it's hot.
Vruće je. To je vruće. That is hot. So je is the verb. Vruće je. So there's actually no it. Hot it is. Hot is. You're saying hot is, but in Croatian that works.
Is
Vruće je.
vruće je.
Super. Okay. That's it's hot. How about it's sunny? Sunčano je.
Sunčano je.
Sunčano je.
Sunčano je.
So no I in there. So sunčano.
Sunčano je.
Sunčano.
Sunčano je.
Bravo. Sunčano je.
Sunčano.
We'll get there. Well,
Sunčano je. I just can't look at it and say it. It's
Sunčano je.
Sunčano je.
No chai. No
No
chai.
chai.
Chai is like, chai tea.
Chai tea
No chai.
latte?
Sunčano je.
Sunčano je. Na ja. Sunčano je.
There you go.
Sunčano je. Bravo. So sunce is the sun.
Oh.
Sunčano, sunny. Sunčano je.
Sunčano je.
Yeah. Okay. So it's windy. Vjetrovito je.
Vjetrovito je.
So we want to accent the first part. Vjetrovito je.
Vjetrovito je.
So wind is vjetar.
Vjetar.
Windy is vjetrovito.
Vjetrovito.
Right? So vjetrovito.
Vjetrovito.
It's windy. Vjetrovito je.
Vjetrovito je.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, those are gonna need some practice.
Yeah, these are tough ones. That's why they
Good ones though.
Yeah.
weather's important. It depends on your outfit for going outside.
Yeah.
It's very important. It's raining. Are you ready?
Ooh, yeah.
Pada kiša.
Pada kiša.
Pava, right?
Pada.
Pada.
Pada kiša.
Panda.
Looks like it.
Without
Pada,
the N.
pada kiša.
So pada is falling. Kisha is raining. Falling rain. It's raining. Pada kisha.
Pada kiša.
Rain falls. So the word for rain is kisha. Pada is falls. Lopta pada, the ball is falling. Kisha pada, rain is falling. But we were saying pada kisha.
Pada kiša.
You could say kisha pada, either way.
Huh.
I think that's what I've heard.
Kisha pada, right? So pada kisha, kisha pada.
Pada pada.
Pada. Pada is falling. Kisha pada.
Kiša pada.
So kisha is rain.
Kiša kiša. Pada,
So
pada.
it's cold. Hladno je.
Hladno je.
Yeah. So hladno pivo is a cold beer. Hladno je, it's cold.
Hladno je.
Hladno je. So when it gets cold in Croatian, you want to be able to say it in many different ways. We're learning hladno je. But we have mrzlo je, ledeno je, zima je. The word for winter is zima. So cold, a lot of cold words, right? Hladno je.
Hladno je.
One of the famous going to a in the middle of nowhere cafeche. My dad used to say you would order a beer and a coffee, and you would get cold coffee and warm beer. So you want the exact opposite. You want a hladno pivo I topla kava, vruća kava, right? So
I like cold coffee.
okay, but yeah, cold espresso not so much. Cold
yeah.
turska kava not so much. That's leftover stuff. Hladno je.
Hladno je.
Wonderful. All right, let's go to it's snowing.
Ooh, yeah.
So we're going to come back to pada. Pada snijeg.
Pada snijeg.
Snijeg pada, pada snijeg. Snijeg is the word for snow. Pada snijeg.
Pada snijeg.
Odlično. Let's review all of those, okay?
Okay.
The word for weather, vrijeme.
Vrijeme.
Yeah, kako je vrijeme? Vrijeme.
Vrijeme.
It's hot. Vruće je.
Vruće je.
Bravo. It's sunny. Sunčano je.
Sunčano je.
Bravo. Sunčano je.
Sunčano je.
It's windy. Vjetrovito je.
Vjetrovito je.
Almost. Vjetrovito je. Vjetrovito je.
Vjetrovito je.
So that first syllable, there's no R in there yet. So the first three letters,
Vjetro.
vje. Bravo.
Vjetrovito je.
Vjetrovito je.
Vjetrovito je.
Odlično. It's raining. Pada kiša.
Pada kiša.
Yeah, kiša pada.
And you need umbrella.
Yeah, kišobran. Kišobran is a rain protector. Kišobran.
Would that be also for like a raincoat? And
Not a
rain
little different.
protector?
Yeah, kišobran. Kišobran is an umbrella.
Kišobran.
Pada kiša.
Pada kiša.
Super. It's cold. Hladno je.
Hladno je.
Hladno je.
Hladno je.
It's got that good in there, right? Hladno je. Like Hrvatska. Hladno je.
Hrvatski.
Hrvatski. Hladno je.
Hladno je.
Bravo. It's snowing. Winter's coming. Pada snijeg.
Pada snijeg.
Super. Pada snijeg.
Cool.
Don't forget to hit subscribe.
And smash that like button.